Want to stop Snapchat calls from showing in your phone's call log? Here's what you need to know. Snapchat calls can appear in your recent call history if the app has phone permissions enabled. To prevent this, you need to adjust app permissions. Let's start with iPhone. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Snapchat. Now check the permissions. Make sure Contacts is off, optional for privacy. Background app. Refresh can be off. Most importantly, Snapchat does not have access to system phone integration features, ODIRO. iPhone does not allow Snapchat to fully integrate into the native phone app like regular cellular calls. If call entries already appear in your Recents tab, open the phone app. Go to Recents, swipe left on the Snapchat call entry, and tap Delete. Now for Android, open Settings, tap Apps. Find and select Snapchat, tap Permissions. Make sure phone permission is set to Don't Allow. This prevents Snapchat from interacting with your device's call system. Important, Snapchat voice and video calls will still work inside the app, but they won't sync with your phone call logs. And that's it. That's how you stop Snapchat calls from appearing in your call history. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Snapchat privacy tips.